In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make FigJam Canvas dark mode. If you spend long stretches brainstorming, mapping ideas, or collaborating in FigJam, switching the canvas to a darker theme can make it easier on the eyes, reduce glare, and help your content stand out. We'll keep this quick and clear so you can get back to your work right away. Start by opening your FigJam board. You can use any board you already have, whether it's a blank canvas or one filled with sticky notes, shapes, and connectors. Give the board a moment to fully load so all the tools and panels are available. Having everything ready ensures the next steps run smoothly. Next, click on the plus button. This plus icon is your entry point to adding and discovering tools inside FigJam, and it typically lives in the toolbar near your canvas. When you click it, you'll see options to insert things and a search field that lets you quickly find what you need without digging through menus. In the search field, type Free FigJam Dark Mode. Use that exact phrase so the correct option appears at the top of your results. As soon as you start typing, FigJam will surface related tools. You're looking for the item named Free FigJam Dark Mode. This is the tool that enables the dark canvas experience without requiring any complicated setup. Now click Run. This action applies the dark mode styling to your canvas. Give it a second or two to process. You may notice a brief flash or an update animation, and then the change will be applied. It'll turn black. In most cases, the canvas background shifts to a deep black or dark gray, making your content pop with higher contrast. Sticky notes, shapes, and text you've already placed will remain exactly where they are, and their colors won't be altered by this change to the background. Take a quick look around your board to confirm that everything is still easy to read. If you use lighter text colors, they'll generally look even clearer against the darker backdrop. If you prefer to keep your content vibrant, the dark canvas helps reduce overall glare, which can be especially helpful in low light settings or during long sessions. That's all you need to do. Open your board, use the plus button to search for Free FigJam Dark Mode, click Run, and your FigJam canvas will switch to dark mode. Enjoy a more comfortable workspace and keep your ideas flowing.